Hey everyone, and welcome to SidekickSuicune. I am going to be opening my own Pokemon cards today. So what I have today is the Tag Time Powers Collection box. I'm really excited to open this. It's got such a lovely assortment of packs. That Eevee promo card is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited to open all of these. So let's get started. Alright, so I have the box and I've already opened this side. I'm just going to slide these out and take a look. Alright. There's that for you. We have all our promo cards. That one's textured. Ooh, that one's too. I'm sorry, I haven't actually opened a pack of Pokemon cards in like years, so these are like really cool. When I was growing up, they weren't textured like this, so that's kind of really fun for me. I think all of them except for the Glaceon and the Leafeon are holographic. So that's definitely a nice set of promotion cards. I'll take it. Then of course there's the big one, which again is not something I'm used to, but it is a pretty neat addition to the trading card world. And I'm just gonna pull out all these packs. Alright, so we got Cosmic Eclipse, Sword and Shield, Celestial Storm I've heard is a good one. Evolutions I'm super excited about because this is what I grew up with. Well, the base set. More Cosmic Eclipse, Sun and Moon base set, Sword and Shield base set, and Lost Thunder. So let's see what we get. Alright, so here we are. We got all of our promo cards ready to go. Sleeving up all of our holographics because we want to protect that beautiful, I really like the traditional ones too, but the holo foil, so we're going to put that in the back. Start our stack. Packs here, ready to go. To the side, got a little sidekick here. I'm going to start with the Sun and Moon base set. Oh my gosh. Alright. So, I don't actually know the card trick for these. So, we're just gonna pretend that I know what I'm doing. I don't know if it's 3 or 4 for these. Okay, well, it's definitely not 3. Okay, so we got that one. Rotom Dex. This fun little guy. Oh, I see it. It's a holo. Well, it might be the reverse. Oh, Growlithe. A Alolan Meowth. A Dewpider. A Alolan Diglett. And you see it shining right there. That is the Cutie Fly. So obviously these are 4. So there's the energy. And Cutie Fly and a Lantern. So good rare. And I'm gonna save all the holofoils, but I meant to do this afterwards, so I'm gonna put guys here, there, that way we can recap at the end. Alright, so we go into Celestial Storm. That's really fun. So I'm assuming that all the new ones are 4, but I'm new to opening these up that way for sure. So there is the code card. Enjoy that. Here's 4. Alright, got it right. So we have our energy, Volbeat, Pelipper, Sky Pillar, Meditite, Spink, Electrite, Surskit, Onyx. Ooh, nice reverse Whismer. I like the crocheted texture. And a Bennett. Okay. Lost Thunder. I haven't been collecting for a long time, so I really don't know all these series like that, but it's kind of fun getting back into it. I collected for a long time, not this one, when I was younger, and then it kind of, you know, became not cool when I got to, you know, middle school and high school and whatever, and oh man, I really like this Heracross. So a lot of these Pokemon I don't know, and the cards are new, so this is kind of fun. It's like I get to start from scratch almost. And ooh, Meryl. Ooh, look at that, Blissey. That is really fun. I'm really liking these, so that's a really nice card. So if I'm like blown away by stuff that's really common, it's just because I haven't seen these before. So there we go. Okay, code card. I like the texture on these energies too. That's pretty neat. I'm trying to keep these separate. It doesn't matter. Roller Skitter. That's kind of cool. Clefairy. Bipom. There's a lot going on this card. Whalmer. Palpitoad. That's fun. Cricketot. Apom. Oh, hey, there we go. Got the first card and the evolution. We got Pyroar reverse and a Heliolisk. How do you say? Is that how you say it? Oh, that's pretty cool. I like this guy too. He's like a little sun lizard, which is, you know, what the name is, but like Latin because we're nerds. This is another Cosmic Eclipse. Ooh, another textured energy. Ends Resolve. Mawile. Oh, look at that Flareon. That is just really nice. I love all the evolutions, so I'm gonna really appreciate that. Another Alolan Meowth. Waltz. Passimian. It's really cool. It's like a lemur. Kind of. I like it. This guy's fun too. Jangmo. And a Lilito. Oh, and another evolution with the Sylveon. I really like that a lot. We got our nice stack of rares, all our reverse hollows. Now we're getting into some Sword and Shield. These I'm pretty excited for too, because I definitely ordered some of the Vivid Voltage coming out. So I'm just waiting for that to get here so that I can open that as well. Okay, this card's facing the other way, and it is a white and green card, so maybe we'll get something special. Let's see. Okay, energy. These. Doesn't matter. Oh my goodness. This is an angry monkey. Thwacky. Palpad. Take notes. Citrus berry. Krogunk. Galarian Meowth. Scorbunny. Sinistra. I like this guy. Marcactus. A ball toy. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. So this is another thing that's new to me, is the full art holographic cards. That is really cool to see them in person. I keep getting this off center because I have no spatial awareness apparently. But oh my goodness. That is really, really cool to me, at least. So centering looks okay, I guess. I don't know, I'm not a grader. I just do that to sound cool. We're gonna put you, well, I guess we'll put you here because we did pull you from the thing. I don't even know how this looks on camera because I'm just reading stuff together for now. If this is successful, we'll invest a little more into it. But pack opened really nice. I wish they all opened like that. Like, save them if you wanted. Oh my goodness, stay. Okay, so we got another white and green. There's the code card. Oh, I already saw it. I think it's another shiny something. So there's, I was gonna say purple energy. That's definitely not what that is. Ooh. Corpse Squire. I really like this one. I really like birds too, so I'm gonna freak out over all the bird Pokemon. And the AC kicked on, so you know, that's really cool. I don't know if you can even hear anything now. Silly Cobra, Yamper. This one reminds me of like a corgi. Grookey. Oh, is this? Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. I like that. Oh, dang it, I just showed it off again. Okay, well, obviously we know it's something cool. So it's a cute fan, a little cute elephant. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's... I really like the Galarian ones and how it changes their colors and their like energy types and stuff. That is really cool. Unicorn Pokemon. Yes. Alright. Oh, Zamazenta. Wow. Yeah, this is so cool. Beautiful card. I really like that a lot. Very, very cool. That's awesome. Oh, you don't go in that pile, you go here. Okay. Alright, so we're down to the Evolutions pack, which is the one I'm looking forward to most, just because of the nostalgia factor. Like I said, this is what I opened as a kid when they first came out in the base pack, first editions and all that. I actually have my collection in storage somewhere, which I would, oh no, need to go find, but that won't be for a while, so, because it's at my parents' house, and I'm not currently in the States. So, there's the code card. I hope it gives you some good luck, and if I remember correctly, there's no card trick for this, or there is, and I just don't know what it is, but, oh, there's, what, so, maybe it's 3, because there was the reverse slot, so we'll just do 3. I don't know. I haven't watched enough videos. Blastoise Spirit Link. Switch. I have a ton of these cards. Choke. Man, it's really cool opening these up like they're brand new. It's been a long time since I've seen these. Fairy Energy. Definitely not original to the first set. Voltorb. Tingla. Poliwag. Ooh, Magneton. Very cool. Oh, and a Beedrill. Nice. Very cool. Alright, well that was all the packs. We definitely pulled 2 really nice V cards. In my opinion, like I said, everything's new, so they're all really cool to me. Still really in love with these promo cards as well. especially the Eevee. I'm glad there's so many Eevees in this pack. So many evolutions. We got some, I really like the Galarian. All these nice reverse cards. Pyroar's card's really cool. I think my favorite of these might be the Rapidash for the reverse slot. And got the Beedrill, which is super cool to pull, just because it's from Evolutions. Very nostalgic. I definitely have that card. Sylveon, Heliosc. I was looking for Blissey in the reverse. This one I think is, well, it's the only holo rare, but that is my favorite of the ones we pulled today, except this guy. I like these two the best. So that's what we got, and got our friend in effect. So what do you think? Was the card box worth it? I think so, but that's just because I had a lot of fun. I should be getting some more cards in the mail soon. So if you enjoyed this video and enjoyed watching me struggle through this first opening, please consider following me so you can watch me struggle through the next one as well. And I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.